yeah, starting the day. Let's get on it. I've got a plan in mind, a special thing in store. To light up my head, get out and play. 'Cause you never feel this way.
What up, everybody? Welcome back to Dan's Hangout Garage. Well, it is a late and wet night. See, look at that. It's dark outside. It's raining. The car outside the doors, the Passat. Gonna do the first on the Passat finally. But it's just an oil change. Oh my gosh. I've been doing all of these videos and still yet to be able to work on the Passat. But the biggest problem we're having is it's raining outside and I gotta do an oil change. And I need to get it inside. And here's my problem. It's kind of hard to see because it's dark in here. But I still got the Volkswagen motor there. Got the roll around. I got tools on the floor. And I need to get the car in to about here. So we gotta clean up. Oh, never ending battle. So we can do the oil change on the Passat. Because we're headed out of town to little family vacation, YouTube. All the crap that's going on right now. Oh well. But yeah, so let's get this cleaned up and stuff moved just enough to get the oil change. Why'd it have to rain? All right, let's get started. Never ending battle keeping the shop clean, especially if you don't clean after you're done. Well, we got the floor somewhat clean, enough just to pull the car in. I just got to get the nose in, get it out of the rain. Then hopefully set a few minutes so I don't get 100% wet trying to change the oil. Let's get it in. We didn't get the Volkswagen motor moved, so last week's video, we're working on that. Still waiting on parts for that, so that's a little update on that. Alright, I gotta rewire it. So, I'm gonna get the car pulled in up on the little custom ramps just high enough for me to crawl underneath it. And then we'll get underneath it and start changing the oil. Let's get the nose rubbing out the way. Alright, well, we got the car in the shop up on the little ghetto jack stands. Here's the problem. I don't got very much room between the VW motor and the Passat, the VW Passat. But that's good enough room to get out of there and lay down and work. And look at that engine bay. Oh man, so neglected, so dirty. Oh, I'm so sorry, car. Oh, nice blue. I like that blue. So, what we're going to start off with is a T25 Torx bit. I had a speed drill, but I got it at the house. Oh well. So we're going to do it manually with the little Torx screwdriver. Let's get underneath. Oh. So, what we got, all these torque bolts, we got to pull this lower cover off so we can get to the oil pan and the oil filter. I'm going to go ahead and get that pulled off. We'll get back right when I get it pulled off. Alright, well, we're back. Got the cover off. We're going to do the oil filter first. So we got this little, let's see if I can get some better light on this. There we go. It's an oil filter, and it looks like I am leaking oil somewhere. So I got to find that leak here soon and get it patched up. Oh yeah. Let's see if maybe the oil pan gasket might be leaking. Yep, maybe seeping. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna try to get this off. Oh, we have to probably get a pair of pliers, because if you turn this, it'll drain the filter a lot easier. Then you can take your big nut socket, whatever you got, pair of pliers, and slowly turn this plastic housing off, because we got a canister or insert filter. My bad. Insert filter. Alright, well, we got the oil filter housing out. Gonna install the new oil filter. The first thing we're gonna install is this new ring. I've already pulled out the old one. We're gonna install the new one. There's a groove just right there. Let's see if I can see it. It goes around there. Got a little tab. Faces up. All you gotta do is just slide it in there and push it in. And then little oil. Remember to lube up that seal, just like you would a standard oil change. Now we're gonna take the filter, canister filter, I think whatever it is called. See, instructions. And we're just gonna slide it in. Oh, just slide it in. There you go. Then you stick it back in, screw it in, and then put your little tray tab back in. You're good to go. Alright, well, we got the oil drained, plugged back in, the splash shield back on. The only thing to do now is top the oil off. Let's see if we can get it in there without spilling. Sometimes a good trick is take the dipstick, stick it in there to help you guide it in. Oh, hold on. That would have been a no-no. There you go. See? Oh, unless your bottle moves. So there you have it. That's an oil change on a 2006 Volkswagen Passat. All we gotta do now is start it up, check the oil level, make sure it's good to go, shut the hood, and roll on. So thanks for hanging out with me at Dan's Hangout Garage. Hope you hit the thumbs up, give me some support, and for the people that do, thank you for the love and support. So we'll catch you next Thursday, hopefully, and alright, goodbye. Later.
Summer days burn me out, love just brings me down.